Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to change your Zoho mail signature. Alright, let's begin. First, log into your Zoho mail account by going to mail.zoho.com and entering your credentials. Once inside your inbox, click on the gear icon at the top right corner to open settings. On the left-hand side, click on Mail and then select Signatures. Here you can manage your existing signatures or create a new one. If you already have a signature you want to edit, click on it and make your changes. The built-in editor lets you format text, change fonts, adjust colors, and even add images or logos for a professional look. You can also insert links to your website or social media profiles. If you want to create a new signature, click the Add Signature button. Enter your details, keep the design simple but informative, and assign it to the email address you want under the Associate With section. Finally, click Update to save your changes. So that's basically how you can change your Zoho mail signature. That's it for this video. Thanks.